Follow these steps to register your drone on the DIPS 2.0 system. After creating an account, you'll receive an email with Japanese at the top. Scroll down to the English. Note that you cannot reply to this email address. You'll see a login ID. Copy that login ID and click on top URL. If you get a page in Japanese, click on English at the top right. For most of us, the page will open in English. Click Login, and under If you have opened an account, put in your ID and password and click Login. On the next page, click Start the UA registration process. On the next page, click New Registration. For people living in Japan, you can use your individual number card, otherwise known as My Number. For most of us, we're going to be foreigners visiting Japan, so we'll need to use the eKYC system with our passport. So click the button next to Passport eKYC, and at the bottom, click Next. Note that registering by snail mail is only available to people living in Japan. On the next page, you'll get a QR code. Scan this with your phone, and you'll get this page on your phone. This is where you input your ID. Note that you'll be prompted to shoot a selfie. Next, on your computer, you can enter the owner information. Once again, you'll need to input the reading of your name in katakana. After you've input all your information, at the bottom click Enter the UA information. This is where you input the manufacturer, model, category, and serial number of your drone. You'll also need to specify whether it's equipped with a remote ID. And you'll also need to disclose whether you've made any alterations to your drone. After you've filled this out, at the bottom right, click Enter the user information. Confirm that all the information is correct, and at the bottom, click Apply for registration. You might get an SMS from the system. It'll be in Japanese, and you cannot reply to this SMS. Next, you'll get an email from the DIPS system. This is where you authenticate your email address. Once you've completed this step, you've registered your drone, and they'll send you information on how to make a payment. You can do that by credit card.